Welcome to this video on how to replace the filter cartridge of a Z series system. The Puretec filter cartridge should be replaced regularly, as a minimum every 12 months depending on your water quality or the volume of water you use. Here you can see we have a PureMix Z7 unit. They come with valve and head technology, meaning you don't have to turn the water supply off when changing the cartridge. It's a quick twist system, just like changing a light globe. Put a towel under the unit to catch any excess water. Rotate the old cartridge clockwise on a quarter turn to pull out the cartridge. Dispose the old cartridge in the correct manner. Remove all packaging from the new cartridge, including the cap on the top. Insert the new cartridge into the filter head and rotate counterclockwise on a quarter turn. You can see the arrow on the head and the cartridge are aligned. It means that the cartridge is properly inserted. Turn on the water and check for leaks. If leaks persist, please check that you have inserted the cartridge properly. Remember to record the date that you have carried out the maintenance. Run your water from your tap for 5 minutes before use or until the water runs clear. If you have any questions, please call our customer care team.